everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add players to your ESPN fantasy football team right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Team. Now at the top, tap on Players. This section shows all available players that you can add to your team. You can use the search bar at the top to type in player's name if you already know who you want, or you can scroll through the list and even use filters like position or free agents to narrow it down. When you find the players you want, just tap on their name, then you will see an option that says add. Tap add, and if there is no open spot on your roster, the players go straight onto your team. If your roster is full, the app will ask you to drop another player name to make room. Once you choose the player to drop, hit confirm, and that's it. You have successfully added a new player to your fantasy football team. And that's it. That's how you add player on the ESPN fantasy app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.